This isn't going to be good, is it? Shh. What? I was lucky. In you go. He's locked in there forever. Pity the person who comes up there next. Right, oh, nice view across the city. Can't you just shout from the rooftop? We're in trouble up here. You know, yeah, like on Die Hard. That's all they did. Well, he threw a body off the ceiling. Shit. Oh no, I killed him. Oh, I'm gonna die. I don't like... I want to save everyone. Right. God, they are fast. He stomped me. Yeah, there he is. No, not he come. Okay, yeah, these are actually the worst ones, apart from that fucker we just dealt with just now. Yeah, they can just, it's like if you're at the correct distance, they'll just stomp you. Hello. No, okay. There you go. I used 2 lives to save you. Hope you appreciate it. Right, let's get on this computer. Genoq, building peace through better weapons. Oh, welcome to Genoq Biolabs. Genoq staff would normally be conducting tours of the facility today. However, we regret to say that Genoq Biolabs is currently under siege from highly lethal organic weapons. We suggest that you head towards the nearest exit as quickly as possible. Please visit us again soon and have a nice day. A Delaware corporation. Okay. So I wonder if that shape-shifting bastard comes back. You know, we're gonna have to look out for various furniture now. Shite. Haha. Yeah, they tremble if they hear an explosion. So that hopefully will turn off the yep. And then we can lock him in here. There you go. Shit! Now we're in trouble. We're in big trouble. Oh, good. I've got a shield, but I don't know if I want to use it yet. That means there's a bastard eye around there somewhere. Put up a brave fight. Okay, if that happens again, then I'm going to have to use the shield, I think. Right, where's this bastard eye? Got it. Yeah, quite devious because you never know where they are. Right. Hello. Haha. You're welcome. Right, let's open that door. How do we get through there though? I can't even remember where I came from actually. Oh. Is that a kiss? Right, we came from there, okay. 5-second memory. Right, so there's a pebble door there that we can't get through at the moment. Keys all over the place, but I can't get hold of them. Bloody hell, look how fast that periscope gun's going. Oh shit. I'll leave that one going. There's a key. Right. I'll save you! Bastard! See what I mean? You just suddenly, you go near it and it's just flattened. Okay, we got another grenade. How the hell do we... Fucking hell. How are my lives doing? 12. Okay, there you go. Okay. Hello there. Okay, you just want to go. I get it. Right, you're gonna have to be quick. Good. Right, let's get our grenades back. Okay, I take it we go up there. No, okay, so we use this for one of the other ones. Kind of making us go all over the place here. Maybe in there. Huh. God, he's a devil, isn't he? Huh. For God's sake. Oh my God, he's coming. Hellish. Oh my. We're in trouble here. Oh no. That's what the grenade's for. Does that mean I've got to go back and get it? I don't want the key. But is he still around? I'm going to get it ready. Right. T. Oh no, he's gone. Okay. Strange, it doesn't normally remember things like that. Okay, he is dead. God. The fact that he can go between screens is quite scary. Okay. Good. All right, secure. Right, okie doke. I'm going to do that. Right, so which way? I'm thinking blue first. No. Purple it is. It's gonna be tricky. Okay. At last, happy to see you. Do you know anything about... Well, doesn't want to say. Got a bomb. Okay. Maybe to blow the... So you can't say wait there to to these fellows. They just look at him. It's like Father Christmas. Okay. Ready? Is that gonna work? You silly tit. Up. Right. Right. When I say run like hell, go. That's it. Fucking hell. Good. Okay, we needed that life. Right. I suggest we go to this other door. There's loads of bloody ways you could go. Hell. There's one down. Good. Right, we've got electric shit all over the place here. God, waiting so long for you. A long time. Who are you? I am John of Maryland. I am the bringer of death. What? What is the passcode? Ha! Yes, quickly. I could see the black wings coming across the desert. They'll be here in a few minutes, and where I see you and you see me, there will be a crater and thousands of dead. What? I've told you that already. What passcode? Almost killed him. Well, that's weird. So we obviously need a passcode. Oh, he's off. Bloody hell. Okay. It must be a... Maybe it's for in here. Oh, we could have come this way first. I just didn't wait for the doodad to do his thing. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Right. It's probably for this one, isn't it? Deaf. Okay. Right, we need to go in there. Good. I've totally lost where... I'm lost as to where we are now. Whew! Do you have any idea what's going on here? Me? Hell no! I was just brought in yesterday to fix some of the optical repeaters on the network here. Didn't expect anything like this though. Spent all last week on a job in an Afghan retirement home. Afghani retirement home. Nice quiet place. A lot of old people reading books. But this place is real loud. These big businesses, I don't know how they get things done. Right. Hey, you got a package. It's not for me, is it? No, it's for Derrida. Never heard of him. But hell, if he's anywhere behind that purple door, you're going to have a real chore getting to him. That workstation over there opens the door, but I don't know the password. You know, the fella next door might know it, but he's totally loco. I figure he probably fried his brain in the 90s during the war. If you talk to him, you watch yourself. Can we leave now? Right, I've done it ass about tit a bit, really. But, you know, if they let you go that way, then fair enough. Right, we need to open that door. Down you go. Right, here we go. Okay, so this is the next place to go, but there was a bit further up, wasn't there, that I've missed. If this is a wild goose chase, I'll cut this out. Come on then, let's go for it, Johnny boy. Go. More people to rescue homes, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, there's a couple of doors here. Let's try this one. Ah, no, we've been there. Oh my god, I'm losing it. Shit. Can you see me there? No. Yes, I'm totally losing it. I've been there. Shit. Right, I'm going to cut that out. Okay, we're doing all right here. We're doing all right. Okay, right. We can do that from down there. Shooting down there. Okay, right. Here we go. I was just about to say easy, and then I died. It's pretty easy, really. I'm just being a bit crap. There we go. Right, gotta be careful here. Okay, we've got to fucking hell. I'm gonna find an angle from up there. Jesus. Easier said than done, I'd say. I say we blow that fucker up. How about that? Oh my Christ. Okay, so somehow we've got to get that. How on earth are we going to do that? Fuck. Right, have I got my grenade back? Yes. Okay, let's get rid of that bastard. Right. This time, don't fuck it up. Yes. Okay. So somehow we've got to find the right angle. That ain't gonna work. Ah, I see. Just run for it, maybe. Yeah, the trouble is. Oh, that worked. Sweet. Shit. Oh no! Oh, hell. That's what you get for being a bit. Shit. Right, we need to switch that. That grenade would have come in handy right now. Okay. Can we go around the back of him? Can he get blown up here? Very intimately close to the gun there. Okay, we are on our way. Some more of those buckets. Perfectly timed. Perfectly timed. Okay, good. Shoot! Oh, hell. Oh, he should be dead now. Good. Right, our lives must be going down a bit. We need to save some more people. Yeah. Easy. Oh, there's a teleporter. But there's a bastard thing looking right at it. So... I can't get through that. Okay, good. Don't! You silly twat. Well, that was a waste of time. Hopefully I'll save this one. I'm counting on it though. Okay, I'm going to have to do that and then get the ball's attention. Yeah. No. Shh. It's tricky. No! Oh, you fucking prick. Bastard, I needed to do that as well to get through there. Right. This is where I'm having trouble here now. Right. Okay. What? Fuck off. happened there? Right. Can I do my shooting? The answer is no. I can feel a total failure coming on here. Ah, okay. Right, now it doesn't matter. Come on then, come and get me. You fucking idiot. Right, come and get me then. Over here! Hi. Hey. He said, do you think I'm fat? No, you're not fat. Are you sure I look okay? I mean, when I look in the mirror, all I see is huge paws. Okay, you're fat and ugly. I knew it, but thanks for being honest. Here, I have something that might help you. I think that is one of the new biomagnetics, some sort of personal barrier. What's your name? River. Want to go out? Crikey. Yeah. Yeah, right. Lie to me. Abuse me. Oh, sure. Change the subject. Okay, there's no way out of this, so okay. Oh, hell, I can't get off it now. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm getting a headache. Can we eat soon? Oh man, has it gone wrong? It's gone wrong. Yay! Oh man, no, please, no. Well, that's just a fucking wounder. Thank God for that. Don't talk to him again, please. That was a close one. Because I can't bloody reload this. Right. Good. How many lives have we got? 7. Oh dear. Oh, there's a permanent heal, so... I've got a shield. Oh, he's given me a shield, hasn't he? Yeah, okay, so we've got to use the shield. Fair enough. Got another bomb. That's cool. Okay. Shit. Oh my god, it's worn off. Just like that. Right, we need to open that door, so I'm assuming it's this one. But we can probably go back in again. Okay, right, so we need to get that ball in there. Ugh. This is going to be tricky. Wow, I was very lucky there. Oh no. Get out of the way. Yeah, what's your name? My name is Cozy Gin. Cozy Gin? What do you do? I'm responsible for much of the disaster you see around here. I must thank you for destroying my work. What's going on? I don't know. I do not know. I have not seen such ugliness since the unfortunate tragedies in Georgia. What tragedy? You do not remember? Yes, it was long ago, and even then many people did not know. The epidemic in the Georgian Republic was caused by men, a virus released by the old Soviet government. The media was told it was a natural mutation of HIV. It was not natural. I've since found out that my current employer engineered this virus. Crikey. Very sinister. Right, we need to save this one because we're getting low on light. Or not. Fuck. Not having much luck here, aren't we? Close that. Come over here, you swine. Deal with him in a minute. I've got a horrible feeling that chap's going to be a devil. I need to find a news link. Do you have any idea what's happening? Not really. Does anybody on the outside know what's going on in here? Several hours ago I heard explosions from upstairs and the alarm sounded. Then these neogens appeared. I must admit I'm not very surprised about all this. A few of us knew what Genoq was up to. Very few. Genoq started out as a small family-run corporation producing strictly legal complex polymers and biomedicines. But in the last few years they've taken on a particularly antiquated corporate structure. Very centralized control, very secretive. Sometimes employees would just disappear. Total ruthlessness, much like the 20th century mafia or yakuza. But all this made sense. This all made sense. Genoq had run into a bit of a problem. Once you've cured most diseases in the world, medicine stops being profitable. So how can you make a real living these days in bioengineering? Weapons. No more death by natural causes. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention my name is Andre. Okay, go on. Of course, since the Russian Russo-Kazakh war, the UN has banned the production of all biological and atomic weapons. This did little more than to drive up the price, making the whole business more profitable for those companies that survived. What most of the world perceives as Genoq is a facade. They still sell biomedicines, but the bulk of their income is from arms sales. This is why there's so much secrecy. If the UN found out, if the world public found out, there'd be fruit. I just wonder if anybody out there knows yet. What I wouldn't give to read the New York Times right now. Do you think we could get over here now? Bloody hell, I had a lot to say. Right, we've got one extra life at least. Right. Don't trust those chairs. Okay. Right, on to the next. 86. Fucking hell. Right. So I'll pause here.